Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to learn German but felt intimidated by all those long words, I've got great news for you. Today, we're starting with the absolute basics, the foundation of the entire language. The German alphabet, or as they say in German, das deutsche Alphabet. It's way easier than you think, and I promise we'll have some fun along the way. So, what's the big deal with the German alphabet? Well, the good news is, if you know the English alphabet, you're already 90% of the way there. It has, to sum, 26 letters from A to Z. The main difference lies in the pronunciation. Let's take it from the top, and I'll say each letter, and you can repeat after me. Ready? Let's start with A in German. It's like when you open your mouth for the doctor. B is bay. Think of a beautiful bay by the ocean. Bay. B is, it's a bit like the T sound in cats. Say D is day. Simple, a nog, just like the English word day. E is I. Imagine you're saying the letter A. In English, I. F is F. Exactly the same as in English. Easy. G. G is gay. Be careful with this one. It's a hard G, son. Like in go. Gay. H is ha. You just breathe it out. Ha! Easy. Like you're seeing something cute and you say E. J is yo. This is a tricky one. It sounds like the Y in yat. Yo. K is ka. Just like the KU in car. So, K, L is L. Same as English. M is M. Also the same. Ine, isen. You've got this. Same again. O is O. A nice round O, just like in English. P is P. Like you're going to pay for something. Pay Q. Is Q? It sounds like a bird. Q. R is R. This is the famous German R. It comes from the back of your throat. It takes practice. But for now, a softer R is fine. S is S. Like a hissing snake. ST is T. Like the drink, tea. Dai. Da. U is O. Like you're surprised. U. B is. This is a big one. The German V is almost always pronounced like an F. V. Think of the word father in German. It's Vater. Pronounced Vater. WS. V. And here's the switch. The German W is pronounced like an English V. So, Volkswagen is actually Volkswagen V. X is IX. Just like in English, Y is Upsilon. That's a fun one, isn't it? Upsilon. It's rarely used in native German words, mostly in loan words. And finally, Z is set. Like the TS in cats again. Set. Great job. Now, let's move on to the special characters that give German its unique flavor. First up, we have the U. These are vowels with two little dots on top, and those dots change the sound completely. First is G, or umlaut. It makes a sound like the E in bed. A good example is the word for girls, which is Mädchen, C, Mädchen. Next is G, the OE. This one doesn't really exist in English. To make the sound, shape your lips, like you're about to say. but instead, say you. Try it. Try it. A word using this is, ene, which means beautiful, shoyon. Finally, we have G, similar to the last one. Shape your lips for an OO sound, but say E. A great word for this is über, meaning over or about, über. Don't worry if the umlaut feels strange at first. Your mouth muscles just aren't used to them yet. Practice makes perfect. And now for the grand finale, the most German letter of them all. The S, written as S-set. It looks a bit like a capital B, but it's not. This letter simply represents a double S sound. You'll find it after long vowels. For example, the word for street is strage. That longer sound before the S, shitra, asi. If you don't have this key on your keyboard, you can always just type SS instead, and everyone will understand you. And that's it. The complete German alphabet, from A to Z, plus G, 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 and S set. You've taken a huge first step into the German language today. Let's do a quick recap of the trickiest ones. J is yo, V is V, W is ve, and Z is se. And remember our umlaut. G is a, G is a U, and G is U. Go back in, rewatch this video anytime you need a refresher. Practice saying them out loud. The more you say them, the more natural they will feel. You're building the muscle memory you need to speak German fluently. Thank you so much for watching and learning with me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do you forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next lesson. We'll be using these letters to build actual words. Danke Suskian and the LLC. You in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.